It has been far too long. Hi, my name is Davian, and I have been living, if you didn't know, in America now, in Atlanta, Georgia, for 8 months now. So this video is a little bit, I don't want to say overdue. I've been really focused on what I have going on here, building so much. I know I haven't uploaded on this channel in a hot minute, at least with the content that we're used to, though I have a lot of really cool things coming up this year and beyond and beyond and beyond and beyond. I'll make sure to update you all on across all my platforms. And I wanted to make this video because this place that I've been living in is super special. If you haven't seen my vlog for when I lived in Korea, well, apartment tour vlog, it'll be linked. And I will also link my vlog of when I moved here. Now, this apartment, I've been in here for 8 months. I love this place. I am in a really central area in Atlanta. I'm able to reach a lot of places really quickly. Midtown is not far from me. Downtown is not far from me. I can get to the north very easily and everywhere else. I've learned quite a lot in these short 8 months. Now, this vlog is going to be really quick, really simple. I just wanted to show you Daevin Dwelling. I'm gonna do 2 parts to this vlog. Like I said, I have a lot of really cool things on the horizon. I cannot spoil them too much. Just know that I will update you. I have a lot of content and think pieces and things to say about my time in Korea, about the process on how to get to Korea as a teacher, of course, and more like that. And it will be trickling out over this year, 2026. We love 2026. And just like I said, beyond. So I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. Let's get right into Daevin Dwelling and why it is so me. So when coming into my complex, I actually have a thumbprint door and a ring. So I can lock it like so. Welcome back. Listen, don't make fun of me for my Christmas gnome picture. My mom told me it's time to take it down, but he's kind of cute. So I have some shoes here. I made like just a family wall. I have my affirmations here so that way I can see my people before I walk out for the day. I got this really cute Lego Cullen house. I built it with my mom and my brother. Wi-Fi code, some stuff from EPiK Universe, wand. I have my doggy Butler with me. I have some photo booth pictures from Korea. These are Polaroid photo books. My Stetson hat. I have some plushies here. I have like my picnic blanket in this Pokemon bag. I have some pantry stuff in here, some like ironing boards and stuff like that here. It's my gym bag. I really, really love this island piece. Here's my kitchen area. I do be cooking every once in a while. I love this Nespresso. I had a Keurig, but we have Nespresso now. I have this cutting board of Georgia. I like to use it for decoration. Fridge, of course. Cute animals on here. This was from my Busan trip in 2023. I have a lot of vinyl art. I thought about putting these on the wall, but I'm not quite there yet. I did think about putting some, like another Polaroid kind of thing, like in my room here, but I feel like Polaroids in the room make sense. Polaroids in the living room don't make that much sense to me. Here's my trifecta right here, the PS5, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. I have a bit of my vinyl collection right here. Some back there as well. This is the jungle, as I like to call it, just my plant area. This is Arthur Curry, real name of Aquaman. Diana Prince, real name of Wonder Woman. This guy is Bruce Wayne, Batman, of course. My cousin just got me these flowers for my birthday. My birthday just passed. Aries season, you know. Have some stuff here. Cat's eye. This is one of my Labubus my mom got me. His name is Uyu, Korean word for milk. I just got this flower as well. This over here kills any like indoor bugs or insects. I have like my lamp, Grogu. I love this couch. My mom, we found this couch like way before I even moved back to America. I have a Kuromi rug. I shipped this rug back from Korea. Now this is one of my favorite spots. I love my balcony. I love this view. Whoo, that breeze. This guy is Clark Kent, real name of Superman. He just became an outdoor plant. Have some CDs here. Of course, we love Usher, Janet, Danity Kane, Craig David, Irene from Red Velvet. I love this spot right here. My cushion flew off of this one. Don't judge me. My lucky cats. incense. And again, this view is really one of my favorite spots. I'm so happy with this apartment. I've always been happy with this place. Shout out again to my dad and my mom for finding this for me. Have some hats. My CD collection. A painting that I did with my family. Trusty Alexa. This is my bathroom. Quite different from my bathroom in Korea. I don't have a wet room. I have a regular shower. I do have a filtered shower head though. Squatty potty, of course. My boy Piplup has to be with me all the time. It's my first Pokemon I ever had. We don't ever open this door. Like, just don't enter. Just kidding. This is my washer dryer. As you can see, I need to take some stuff out of there. This is my room. The last time my brother was here, he was like, Davian, why don't you have a TV in here? I just choose not to. Like when I come to my room, I come to sleep. I have a lot of this. Oh, this picture my goddaughter drew of me. I have a lot of pictures here that I really like. That's me and my brother in Tokyo. My uncle and I, my friends and I in Seoul. My family, me in Seoul. Pictures like that. This is from my first modeling gig. Now this right here, the Polaroid wall. I worked for like months. I started this year in January. And I didn't finish this till about, I would say about 3-4 weeks ago. Clearly, as you can see, I have much more Polaroids, so I could have finished this in like one afternoon, but I was quite picky. Bad Bunny here, one of my drawers, another record player, just general posters that I had from when I was overseas, and even some from before I moved. Just a little bit of things right here that I like. Some of my favorite CDs, some of my favorite characters. This Michelangelo poster that I got in Rome. I really like this Zodiac kind of banner. Some plushies on the bed. This is my closet. I hope it's not too messy for you. I got a lot of things kind of going on in here. But I try to keep pants here, a little bit of coats, extra hangers. These are other miscellaneous jackets, other jackets that I like. I try to keep things color coordinated the best I can. that's pretty much it for my tour of Daevin Dwelling. Thank you for joining me. I'm not quite sure why it took me so long to make this. When I came to this city, I wanted to settle in, really focus on why I came here. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions regarding this space and anything like that, just let me know. I'd love to talk with you all. And like I said, I have more content coming soon, very soon. I cannot tell you exactly what it is. Just know that it's coming and we're all going to love it. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Sending you positive energy, positive thoughts, and a positive attitude.